Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect and analyze the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something that's a must-have for all you programmers and keyboard enthusiasts out there: the EPOMAKER Salt Silent Mechanical Keyboard Switches. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know why these switches are the best choice for programming. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our in-depth reviews. Alright, let's get started. Now, what makes the EPOMAKER Salt Silent Mechanical Keyboard Switches stand out from the rest? Let's take a look at some key features. First and foremost, these switches are silent. That means you can code away without disturbing anyone around you. No more loud clacking noises, just smooth and quiet typing. These switches are designed with a linear feature, offering a consistent keystroke from start to finish. It's perfect for programming, providing a precise and reliable response. Another standout feature is that these switches come factory lubed. This means they are smoother and require less effort to type, enhancing your typing experience. EPOMAKER Salt switches are built with a general MX structure, allowing them to fit most keycap sets with X cross stems. This opens up a world of customization possibilities for your keyboard. Want to add some flair to your setup? These switches come with LED slots for modification, allowing your backlight to shine through even with PBT keycaps. It's all about making your keyboard unique. Durability is essential, especially if you're a heavy typist. These switches are equipped with a strong stainless steel spring, ensuring they can withstand up to 60 million keystrokes, as proven by laboratory tests. Alright, enough talking about it. Let's put these switches to the test. As you can see, the typing experience is incredibly smooth and quiet. It's perfect for long coding sessions without disturbing your colleagues or roommates. Now, you might be wondering about the price. Well, these EPOMAKER Salt Silent Mechanical Keyboard Switches are incredibly affordable, priced at just $16.99 for a set of 35 switches. But wait, there's more. You can also find some fantastic bundles available on Amazon, including keyboards and other accessories to complement your setup. So, there you have it, folks. The EPOMAKER Salt Silent Mechanical Keyboard Switch is the best choice for programming. They offer silent typing, a linear switch design, factory lubrication, MX structure keycap compatibility, LED slots, and exceptional durability. If you want a typing experience that's both comfortable and quiet, these switches are definitely worth considering. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow keyboard enthusiasts. And of course, if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on these switches, leave a comment down below. Until next time, happy coding, and may your keyboards always be silent and satisfying. See you in the next review.